So we're on site at the WM station here in Laurel, Delaware. We're next to their open space and stormwater management ponds. We are putting these plots in. We did 3 different seedings, and we're doing them as demonstrations to see what types of beneficial predator insects you can bring in to the home landscape if you put in native plants. Delaware Master Naturalist volunteers were here with us on site today helping us plant this meadow. It's a little bit labor intensive when we're doing this type of thing by hand, so really grateful to have them.
Overall goal of this is to monitor beneficial insects. So over time we're going to compare the 3 different plots with the 3 different seed mixes, see how they all prosper over time and what kind of beneficial insects that they eventually attract.
I didn't know until we got here that this was actually, a project in conjunction with Waste Management. It's good to see, a company like that with their prominence in that particular industry, focusing in on how do we manage the areas around.
The reason that I call Cooperative Extension is because I used to work there, and the wonderful group of volunteers that they have. And it was a natural partnership for us to call somebody that we already know.
Thank you, NIPA and WM.